Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft 365 for CRM step by step clearly. To begin registering for Microsoft 365 for CRM, open your preferred web browser. Type Microsoft 365 CRM into the search bar and hit enter. Locate the official Microsoft website in the search results and click on it. On the Microsoft homepage, look for the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with various subscription options. Select the plan that best fits your needs for customer relationship management. Once you've made your selection, click on the Buy Now or Continue button. You may be prompted to sign in with an existing Microsoft account. If you do not have an account, click on the Create One link. Enter your email address and click Next. Follow the prompts to create a password for your new account. Complete any additional information requested, such as your name and phone number. After entering the required details, click on Next to proceed. You may need to verify your email address through a confirmation email. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Microsoft. Click on the link within the email to verify your account. Return to the registration page and continue filling out your information. Provide your business details, including company name and address. Select whether you want to receive updates and offers from Microsoft. Once you've filled out all the fields, review your information for accuracy. Click Next to proceed to the payment information page. Enter your payment details as required for the subscription. Carefully review all the information again. When ready, click on the Agree and Sign Up button. Your registration process will be complete shortly. You will receive a confirmation message indicating successful registration. Log into your new account to access Microsoft 365 for CRM. Explore the features and set up your CRM to suit your business needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.